When your Babysense monitor isn't working properly, power cycling is often the first solution. Let's start with power cycling the camera unit. First, disconnect the AC adapter from the power outlet. Then locate the pair button on the back of the camera unit. Hold the pair button on the back of the camera for exactly 15 seconds. This drains any residual power from the device. Finally, reconnect the power cable to complete the camera power cycle. The camera should restart automatically. Now let's power cycle the parent unit monitor. This process is slightly different and requires the unit to be connected to its charger. Ensure the parent unit is connected to its charging adapter. Then locate the power button on the device. Hold the power button for at least 30 seconds. This forces a complete reboot and drains residual power, which often resolves connection issues. If your baby unit loses connection with the parent unit, you'll need to repair them. This process reconnects the devices wirelessly. Place both the baby unit and parent unit side by side and turn them both on. This ensures they're close enough for the pairing signal. On the parent unit, press the menu or OK button to access the menu screen. Navigate using the directional keys to find the pair menu option. Select the camera you wish to pair. A pairing message will appear on screen. Then press and hold the pair button on the back of the baby unit until connection is established. There's also an alternative pairing method. Press the menu button, navigate to the green camera icon using the down arrow, then press Select. Highlight the pair option and choose a slot from the options menu. You then have 60 seconds to press the pair button on the camera to complete the connection. These power cycling and repairing steps resolve most connection issues with Babysense monitors. If pairing fails, simply repeat the process until successful. When power cycling and repairing don't resolve your Babysense monitor issues, a factory reset may be necessary. This process will restore your parent unit to its original settings. First, ensure your parent unit is connected to its charging adapter. The reset button is located on the rear panel, often under the stand or as a small pinhole. Use a thin object like a pin or paperclip to press and hold the reset button for 3 to 10 seconds. Wait for a visual indication, such as the LED turning solid red. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, there are several common causes to check. These include pairing problems, range limitations, monitor configuration issues, power faults, or interference from other devices. Battery issues are a common cause of connection problems. Ensure your monitor is fully charged, as low battery can disrupt connectivity. The parent unit takes approximately 8 hours to charge completely. Electromagnetic interference from other wireless devices can disrupt your baby monitor's signal. Keep the monitor at least 5 feet away from other electronic devices to prevent interference. Before performing a factory reset, try a soft reset first. Simply turn off the monitor, disconnect the power, wait a few seconds, and reconnect it. This gentler approach may resolve your issue without losing all settings.